Largest continent is Asia. Pakistan is located in Asia. Asia, Australia, Africa, Europe, South America, North America. Map is a plate drawing of a plate. It shows a small area. It shows a small area and great detail and where things are located. For example, this is a map.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ashwina. I read in class 4 Blue. Ocean. A large body of salt water is called an ocean. There are 5 oceans in the world. Number first, Pacific Ocean. Number second, Atlantic Ocean. Number third, Indian Ocean. Number four, Southern Ocean. Number 5, Arctic Ocean.
I read in the 4th Blue. Today our activity topic is orientation. Orientation means direction. It shows compass rose on a map. It tells us a direction of different places on a map. There are 4 directions on a compass rose called the cardinal direction: the north, south, east, and west.